Hey guys, in this video, we're going to show you how to fix Roblox Error Code 280. Roblox Error Code 280 usually appears when the game disconnects due to outdated files, temporary cache issues, or missing components. It can also occur if the game isn't updated to the latest version, or if there are corrupted files stored on your PC. This error stops you from joining servers and asks you to reconnect, but the problem keeps coming back until you clear the temporary files, remove old Roblox data, and reinstall the game properly. First, go to your desktop and click on the search bar at the bottom. Then, type run and click on it when it appears. Now, a small window will open. Type temp inside it and click OK. Here, a folder will open containing temporary files. Now, select all files, then click the delete icon at the top. When a confirmation box appears, click yes. If another box appears saying some files are in use, select do this for all current items, and then click skip to continue. Next, go back to the desktop, open the search bar again, type run and click on it. This time, type %temp% and click OK. Again, a folder will open, select all files and click delete to remove them. After that, go back to the search bar, type settings, and click on it. Here, from the left side, click apps, then click installed apps. In the search box, type Roblox. When it appears, click on the three dots next to it and select uninstall. If you also have Roblox Studio, uninstall that too for better results. Now, go back to the desktop and open the run box once again. This time, type %local app data %, and click OK. Here, locate the Roblox folder, right-click on it, and click the delete icon to remove it completely. Next, open your browser, preferably Google Chrome, and search for Roblox download. Click on the official Roblox link from the search results. Now, click on Download Windows app. When prompted, select a folder on your computer where you want to save the file and click Save. Once the download is complete, open the file and follow the installation steps. After installation, open Roblox again and the error should be fixed. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.